Harvesting, handling, and processing corn poses some unique challenges to maintaining quality. When conveying fresh or seed corn, product damage is always a concern. At Keith Manufacturing Company, we've provided the agricultural industry with innovative material handling solutions for more than 50 years. A Keithwalkingfloor system is ideal for fragile commodities such as corn because the conveyor gently and consistently moves the product. Properly processing corn ripe from the field requires that it be done quickly to maintain peak freshness and gently to minimize product damage. Walk-in-floor systems provide the efficiency to do both. Locating the conveyors near the unloading area allows the trucks to dump directly onto the walk-in-floor system. This reduces handling, speeding up the process. The gentle, metered handling of the corn eliminates the mechanical damage that frequently occurs when using other systems. A variable speed control also allows for an adjustable feed rate to match the processing equipment at the facility. Quality concerns for seed corn are just the same. Walk-in-floor seed corn bunkers also provide efficient and consistent corn conveyance. Gentle, metered handling of the seed maintains ear corn quality, increasing productivity. The ability to control the system's speed enables processors to deliver the corn at the facility's husking capacity. Keith Walk-in-Floor systems offer additional benefits. Low in maintenance and easy to clean, units are safe enough for employees to walk directly on, even while the system is operating. Constructed of the finest components, the walk-in-floor conveyor contains a series of aluminum slats that extend the length of the bunker bed. The hydraulically powered slats move in a 4-phase cycle, metering the corn with a sliding transfer motion. The ear corn is then transferred to a takeaway conveyor for further processing. Bunkers are designed to meet individual facility needs and can be constructed to hold virtually unlimited tonnage. Built for strength, units easily withstand the weight of tractor trailers and other heavy equipment. Walk-in-floor technology can also be used in mobile systems. A trailer outfitted with a walk-in-floor unloader can transport fresh corn, seed corn, or even silage. Unloading is a simple process that can be accomplished at nearly any location. Keith Walk-in-Floor systems are designed to provide the most efficient, durable, and versatile means of material transfer and unloading, saving you time and money. Discover for yourself the many benefits of walk-in-floor technology.